Good afternoon, traders. On this Sunday, it's coming tomorrow, but now we're talking about Saturday. Russell 2000 Index Bull. It's hitting up there on a resistance. This bull has been on fire. We featured the Russell 2000 with rate cuts that we did, and we have featured it to go long off of moving averages, such as this 100-day moving average right here. Right there. We featured it long. We're updating it. We're right back at a top. We can make another 52-week high. And I can tell you another thing. This could be the next bull market. It's been several years, 4 or 5 years, but we featured it. We have it. We have it on our channel. We featured the small cap Russell to buy it and hold it, that it would outperform, and it would with interest rate cuts, as we got. We got everything that you would want for a bull rally in small cap stocks. Yes, they will start to make money, and they have a little bit different of a challenge, but nonetheless, there's a lot of companies, a lot of sectors in the 2000, and that's the next bull run right now at resistance. Once again, put your trading shoes on, sign up. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later program. It's on the site. You can find it. Get invested.